Guys, how are you all? I hope all are good. So guys, today we'll see how we can install Python in our Windows 11. You can see guys, right now I have installed Windows 11. So actually earlier I was using Windows 10. So I thought we'll make a video on that. So you will also get, suppose if you have new operating system, then how you can set Python in your VS Code and how you can run Python program in your from your VS Code. Okay, so that only we will see today. So let's start without wasting any time. Okay, so you can see guys in Google what you need to do, just type here Python download. Okay, so if you go, you will get like this guys, that is download Python or python.org. Just click on that. Then after that what you do is just download this. Okay, so you can install the latest version, no problem. Okay, download and guys install it. Okay, just open it and try to install that guys. So already I have that file guys, so it is showing me for uninstalling. So you just follow the step and here you just follow the there will be one tick mark guys, that is add to path. Just click on that add to path, or you can select the custom installation, or you can select the direct installation. Okay, that you do. After that next is there, then you will install the things guys. So like that what will happen guys, Python will get installed in your uh, what I can say, in your OS or in your computer guys. Okay, so Python will be installed. See guys, I can do it uninstallation, but let it be, already it is there. So I'm telling the steps guys. Just here one tick mark will be there, just click on that. That is okay. I'll do uninstall only guys and I will show you. Okay, so there is no imagination and all. So it will take some time guys because uninstallation is happening. So we'll wait for that. Okay, as you can see the installation is done. I'll make uninstall. Now I'll try to install this. Okay, just open it. Okay, you I was telling this guy, just click on this, that is add python.x to path. Okay, then you can select customization, sorry, customize installation or install. Now I'll select the customize installation, then I'll go next. I want is all precompile the standard libraries. Okay, everything I will keep as it is guys. Then I'll go next. So it is installing now, you can see. So here we have added path already, so there is no need to go in environment and adding the path and all. Okay guys, because already we added that. Okay, so it's done guys. Now just open the VS code. Okay, just open the VS code, go here file. Okay, we'll create one folder guys. Here in documents, one we'll create one folder like Python. Okay, then open it and here. Okay, I have selected the folder. Okay, I'll make here one file like Python app.py. Okay, so I'll make here guys, that is app.py. Okay, and before that we'll check here also, it is asking me to install, that also we'll do. We'll see guys in command prompt Python version. So you can see guys, it is installed here. Okay, so now we'll go here and it is asking me to install the extension of Python. So just go here and type here Python. Okay, so directly also I can do guys here from here. See, install. So it will select it. Just install the Python version, guys. You can see it is installing now. It will take I think some time. Okay, so it is done, guys. Now I'll do go here. You can see I have created the file already. As I told you, app.py. We'll do simple program, that is print. Hello world will print. Okay. Okay, we are doing the e. What is this? is hello world. Okay, now what I'll do guys, I'll go here, I'll open the terminal, and you can start from here and you can type from here also. I'll do like this, we'll see whether it will work or not. Python app.py, you can see as it is working, hello world, right? And from here also I'll try. From here also it is working, you can see guys. Okay, from output and from terminal so it is working. So like this guys, what you can do, you can install the Python in your Windows 11. Okay, OS. So I hope you got guys, and if you have any question regarding this, then guys you can comment in comment box. And guys, keep support, and please guys, if you are new to my channel, then like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much guys, and keep supporting it.